The beginning of cryptographic forms of money denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage temporary fad to advance. Be that as it may, they're actually hit a test of openness, straightforwardness, and immense exchange charges. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the enormous capability of Bitcoin could be additionally outfit ideally through a hard fork, consequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin money, functionalities of standard reception. When BCH made its presence felt and noticeable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to finance English pounds and numerous digital forms of money like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the computerized bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. Bitcoin money specialized investigation, grasping the nitty-gritties. A profound infiltration into the raw numbers of Bitcoin money has a through and through various story to uncover, notwithstanding having large future outcomes, likewise potential, and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size. The token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size versus its rivals. A significant explanation, in this way, is that the two financial backers and diggers side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The designers required a ton of patching up to show greater spryness and rolling out extremist improvements to the undertaking's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Nonetheless, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and emphatically connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astonishing that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astounding level radically. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are perplexing instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital money bob to a colossal level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender instead of a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, an ensuing revision cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a memorable high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. As per Guaj Bitcoin money cost examination, Bitcoin money cost could drift least cost around $106 toward 2023 in the couple of the following months end. As indicated by Guaj Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally depend on $266.80 as most extreme cost in 1 year. In light of our Bitcoin Cash cost figure, it is a terrible long-haul venture. Your venture might be debased from now on. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $400 mark toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As previously mentioned, Bitcoin money cost is the posterity of BTC. It is set to follow similar impressions and cost activity as well. Assuming the Bitcoin cost is going vertical, the BCH cost, as well, will profit from that in no time. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023 going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts. The coin's cost has been deviating from its way ordinarily every 2 or 3 years. In the main portion of 2023, the Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $105 and $275 as the most extreme cost in the last part. Soon, logical, the finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be really ideal for acceleration, particularly with rivals making up for lost time intensity or markets messing around. As per Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. Yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recover its lost energy and crosses the $250 mark. There is no such thing as Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2024 expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will govern the crypto market with an exhibition cost fixed around $300 in the long term. In the principal half of 2024, the Bitcoin Money Value Forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $250 and $350 as the greatest cost in the final part. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to maintain and reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. According to our BCH cost expectation, there will be a radical change in the Bitcoin money cost estimate when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the BCH cost endures for an extremely long period and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money will be actually worth 100x more than its up until recently all-time high in light of our BCH cost expectation. In the principal half of 2025, the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $352 and $440 as the most extreme cost in the final part. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost expectation, it would cost $445 in 2025 continuously Zen. Be that as it may, this sort of hopeful assumption comes from two preconditions. 1. Bitcoin keeps on marvelous assumptions. 2. Markets stay as positive as usual. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026. In view of our own examination and Bitcoin money cost estimate, the BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $510. BCH gauge helps in effective financial planning with perfect timing. In the primary portion of 2026, the Bitcoin Money Value Forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $480 and $540 as the greatest cost in the final part. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027 as indicated by Bitcoin Cash Cost Expectation. Beating the pandemic will assist with doing a great deal for the market feeling of Bitcoin money. Ready for a rise. Bitcoin money cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. In the principal portion of the Bitcoin Money Value Forecast is said to arrive at the base cost of $520 and $590 as the greatest cost in the last part. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2028. As per the BCH cost forecasts, the symbolic will have least, normal, and most extreme costs of around $585, $615, and $645 individually. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2029. Taking a gander at the BCH forecast, the coin will exchange a scope of $650 to $750, where the previous is the most reduced cost for the year and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, the typical cost for the whole year might be around $700 for 2029. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, the symbolic will have developed radiantly from where it stands today. According to our estimates, it will have a greatest cost of around $800. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs might be around $723 and $762 separately. Allow us to accumulate Bitcoin money without a doubt. Bitcoin money has extraordinary potential and